In today's nonstop world, business happens everywhere, all at once. Customers need answers at 2 a.m. Systems crash before dawn. Your team, drowning in demands, stretched to the edge, burned out, and barely holding on. Now imagine a workforce that never sleeps, always on, always accurate, always improving. Meet SynthStaff, your AI-powered team, ready in seconds, on demand, infinitely scalable, built for precision. This isn't automation. These are voice-enabled, multilingual digital professionals, fluent in empathy, trained in action, handling support, scheduling, sales, ops, simultaneously, flawlessly, tirelessly. No resumes, no interviews, no waiting, just tap, deploy, and go. No salaries, no benefits, no burnout, just performance at scale on your terms. With SynthStaff, your team becomes unstoppable. Costs drop by 70%. Coverage hits 100%. Your business moves faster and smarter, and your people focus on what truly matters. This isn't just staffing. It's a revolution in how work gets done. SynthStaff AI meets human insight to deliver hires who match your tone, values, and culture, not just the role. Welcome to the future of work. Start your free trial. Book a live demo. Visit synthstaff.com.